In this video, I'm going to show you how to check the best time to upload YouTube Shorts. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. So first, I'm going to go ahead and open up any web browser, and then I'm going to search up best time to upload Shorts on YouTube. Now, AI gives me some stuff, right? Like from late morning and early evening and lunch hours. So I'm going to get back to this later and I'll show you guys why. So let me go ahead and set this to not a desktop site. And you have Hopper IQ. It tells you between 11 a.m. to 12 p.m. on Tuesday. Basically, it's always changing because the algorithm is always changing, right? But let's go back up to the AI thing, right? So there's a site called Buffer. Let me go ahead and search up Buffer time to post YouTube Shorts. Now what this site did is that they analyzed 1+ million channels to find out the best time. And if you scroll down, the darker the spot, which means the better to post. So this is in 2025. So as you can see, it said from 2 to 6 is the best time to post, and it's Wednesday is getting a lot of traction, followed by Friday. So it used to be Friday first, then Wednesday, but the algorithm is always changing. So you can use this as kind of like a guideline, but do not follow it through, because on the YouTube app, when you're actually posting, let me scroll down. You're going to see your own viewers analytics. So basically what this tells you is that when your viewers checked in, when they watched your videos, so for this person, it was around 6 p.m. and they're getting pretty good Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So that's when their viewers checked in. If you're posting YouTube Shorts and you don't know when to post, check your own channel analytics to find when your viewers look at the videos, when you're getting traction, because that's the best bet you can follow. The other part you can use as a rule of thumb. If you just started your channel, you can do that, post, see what works, see what doesn't, kind of fiddle with it. But the best is to follow your own channel analytics, because that's going to help you grow the most. If this video helped you out, please consider subscribing and leaving a like.